Now I'm going to show you another chapter in the geologic history of New York, and that is what happened here 15,000 years ago during the last ice age. So by then the mountains were eroded and this surface was exposed. The core of the mountain range composed of metamorphic rocks was exposed, and here at that time, because it was really cold during the ice age, we had a mile of ice standing on top of Manhattan, much taller than the skyscrapers that you see here. 1 mile of thick ice moving slowly over this region. And when ice moves, when glaciers move, they are very thick, so they can't choose the particles they carry along. It's like a bulldozer. It carries all the small sand particles, pebbles, and even boulders like the ones over here, and drag them over the rocks. And when the ice melts, the boulders are left behind. So these boulders that you see here were left behind by the last ice age after the ice melted. These boulders are called glacial erratics. And if you look closely, these glacial erratics over here are not composed of the same rock. It's a completely different rock. There is no layering present here. There are very large crystals of, you can see, large crystals of potassium feldspar, mica, quartz, interlocking crystals, no layering. So it might be an igneous rock. So this igneous rock is not anywhere related to the metamorphic rock of the bedrock here. Now I'm going to take you down to the brass so that we can look at this outcrop from a different angle. Now when you look at the outcrop from this angle, you can see the waves. These waves, these are ridges and grooves. See? And these waves are produced by the dragging of the boulders, the glacial erratics, over the rock by the ice, the moving ice. Now you also see, parallel to the ridges, you see some tiny lines, oriented like this, lines like that. And these lines are called striations or glacial striations. And they are produced by the dragging of, you can see here, dragging of little stones and rock pieces by the glacier. So they're small, there are little small ridges and big ridges. So the small ridges are the striations. Now you notice that the ridges and grooves and the striations are not parallel to the foliation that you see here. So because it is not related to the foliation of the bedrock, it is something that happened much later during the time of the ice age.